Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can download Tubi in your device. So guys, if let's say you're using a PC, just go ahead and type Tubi download. Now you'll see options like Google Play and Apple. So if you have an Android, just go ahead and tap here. But if you have an Apple, you can tap on the second option. So you would see this option over here. So it says that this app is only available on App Store for iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, and Apple Vision Pro. So make sure you're in these devices and just tap on download. So in this way you would successfully be able to download Tubi in your device. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.